after Samsung was forced to pull the Galaxy Fold and re-engineer some bits and pieces to make it more durable. Huawei also postponed the launch of its direct competitor to that device, that is the Mate X produced by Huawei. The Chinese company's first folding smartphone should be out in November now. If you have been wondering what Huawei has been doing to the Mate X to warrant such a long time passing before it finally hits the shelves, it looks like that it didn't just go with the cosmetic changes like its Korean rival. Instead, Huawei also saw fit to upgrade some of Mate X's internal specs as well. Thus, it will launch with the yet unannounced Kirin 990 chipset on the board, that is the fastest chipset that is made by Huawei till today. The same one that's going to be powering Mate 30 and Mate 30 Pro. Furthermore, the Mate X has swapped its initial camera arrangement, reminiscent of the rear shooters on the Mate 20 or similar sensor to those found in the newer P30 Pro. That means that the snapper uses RYYP filter instead of RGB filter. So all in all, it may actually prove to have been a worthwhile wait for the Mate X, given it's all going to launch with the hardware that is even more up to date. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. And if you want me to make videos like this on different topics, please do comment in the comment section. Take care. See you again.